Brothers and sisters, you see that I have opened this English book as well. You see that you have got vocabulary from page number 28, the word, singular, plural, and the meaning. Everything is given, right? And definitely for vocabulary purposes, we need to put some best efforts. We need to read them, try to understand them, use them. So you have got the exercises, complete these exercises while keeping the vocabulary in front of you. You can print the vocabulary separately, only vocabulary section. If you want to print it, you can print separately. You see that everything is over there. Like mirwahatun, fan, and marawiho is plural. Okay. Now, when we go to today's session, al-mufradu wal-muthanna wal-jamu. Now the vocabulary of this section is also given. Let me show you the page number on this page. This is the vocabulary. On page number 53. Okay. Now you see you have got vocabulary. For vocabulary, definitely you have to work hard on your own. You have to read it. You have to spare some time, right? Like we were having in initially, mashallah, we have got around 100 participants on WhatsApp group, and around 50 we have got on Telegram group. But when it comes to attending classes, today we were having around 22, 23, now 17, maybe we are having more students now. So one person, when there is a one person who says, if you want to achieve something, you have to change your mental state, your physiology, you have to take massive action. If you are not taking massive action, if you are not ready to dedicate your time for learning, definitely then these things cannot come by the way of toffee or anything like that. For seeking knowledge, this is the prerequisite that we have to put our best efforts. We have to work harder and harder. And Allah Almighty says in the Holy Quran, Man jahada fina lanahdiyannahum subulana. The one who strives in our way, we open ways for him, not a way, ways for him. For getting those ways opened for us, it is very necessary to put our best efforts. And for putting the best efforts, we are supposed to take massive action. And the massive action is to keep the social media away from us, especially in the month of Ramadan, to save our time and to give that time to our books. Go through the books, vocabulary, the exercises, do them. You can have a separate piece of paper or copy or journal or register. See, take the exercise, keep on doing that. Repeat these words, write them, whatever you do, then express them. How can, this is the way you can grasp them. There's no any shortcut of them, no shortcut of them. So I hope that every brother and sister, at least you will spare an hour or around 2 hours on regular basis for this vocabulary. I do have other vocabulary. I have the vocabulary of complete Quran in Arabic and also in English. But if you people are not touching this vocabulary, then giving you that material may definitely bring some difficulties for you. We also have dialogues for you, means Arabic dialogues. But if you complete something in these 25 days, means I think 24 or 23 days are left now, then for the coming level, you will be having more things, but the classes will be twice a week, not means 7 days a week like we are having now. So please, I request you that put your best efforts, go through the vocabulary, go through the exercises on your own and do it. You can do it. Any questions from your side? No questions? ठीक है जी, आप उर्दू में बात समझ में आ गई आपको? कि वोकैबुलरी आपके सामने है। आपके पहले भी बहुत सारी वोकैबुलरी जो है वो कुछ लेसन से पहले थी, वो भी देख लेते हैं कि कहाँ थी। वो भी आपको बता देता हूँ कि पहले वोकैबुलरी आपको दी गई है। ये वोकैबुलरी है, ये वोकैबुलरी आपके 25 नंबर सफ़े पे है। और अगर आपको याद हो तो मैंने कंप्लीट वोकैबुलरी के नाम से आपके साथ फाइल शेयर की थी, ये मैं आपको दिखा भी देता हूँ। ये देखें, ये पूरी वोकैबुलरी आपके पास है, 91 पेजेस पे है। आप इसको अलग से प्रिंट कर सकते हैं। आप 91 पेजेस प्रिंट करें और रोजाना अगर मिसाल के तौर पर 2-3 पेजेस भी याद करें तो आप एक महीने में आपके पास पूरी किताब की वोकैबुलरी हो। और अगर इतनी वोकैबुलरी हो और इसके साथ आप जो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस पढ़ रहे हैं ग्रामेटिकल, तो आप अंडरस्टैंड करें कि आपका लेवल कितना अच्छा होता जाएगा। तो ये मेहनत का काम है और मेहनत आपने करनी है, मेहनत के बगैर कोई चारा नहीं है। कोई सवाल हो आपका तो पूछ लें इससे पहले कि मैं अगले किसी टॉपिक को टच करूं। कोई क्वेश्चन, कोई सवाल नहीं है? जी फराज ब्रदर, गो अहेड।
Bismillah. Uh, just to get it clarified, are you asking us to practice on the pronunciation of these words, or are you asking us to memorize them so when we bump into them when reading the Mus'haf that we can recognize the word?
Yes brother, I am asking you to memorize them. Al
Okay.
ilmu bitadhakkur. Ilm is with memorization.
Barakallah fi.
Okay brother. Okay, now the we are just left with the i'rab of muannas salim. Then inshallah we'll end this lesson over here. This is the i'rab jam'il muannath salim i'rab. Now when there is jama muannath salim like at-talibatu zakiyatun, now definitely the last, either on the last letter there will be tanween like zakiyatun or just zamma. This one, at-talibatu zamma, zakiyatun zammataini, right? So this is the marfu. For mansoob and majroor, both are the same conditions, means just we will understand from the sentence, the structure of the sentence, that what type is it, either it is mansoob or majroor, right? But in other way, the both conditions are same. Allow me to save this and come back to you just a minute. Okay, otherwise they will be having same status when it comes to mansoob and majroor. There will be kasra or kasratain at the end of the means at the last letter of the muannath salim, like qabaltu talibati. Okay, now there is kasra. Ishtaraitul baqarati, there is kasra, this is mansoob. And the third one, sallamtu ala talibati, there is kasra on the te, means last letter. Nazartu ilal baqarati, there is kasra. So the both conditions, mansoob and majroor, will be same, and the marfu there will be zamma or zammatain. That's it. So we have completed this one. So I will request all of you to complete these exercises. What is the exercise? This one. You have to translate this exercise. There is an exercise in English. I will also go to that. Yes. Yes, this is the exercise. A glass. So you have to translate that into English. Oh, sorry, into Arabic. I'm really sorry. This whole exercise is to be translated into Arabic. You have got the vocabulary. Do it, complete it, share the vocabulary with me, inshallah, means your exercises. And I hope that you will do it by before the tomorrow's sessions, inshallah. नाउ आई कम बैक टू उर्दू। देखें जी, ये आपके साथ पास एक्सरसाइज है, वोकैबुलरी आपके पास है, पहले भी है, अभी भी आपके पास मौजूद है। इनको आपने अरबी में तब्दील करना है। अब आपकी टेस्ट शुरू होती है यहाँ से। अब जितनी मेहनत करेंगे उतनी आपकी अरेबिक बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रांग होगी। ठीक है, तो आप सब लोग इंशाल्लाह इसको एक्सरसाइज को करेंगे कल कल सेशन से पहले तक।
इंशाल्लाह।
इंशाल्लाह।
पक्का वाला इंशाल्लाह
इंशाल्लाह।
या इंशाल्लाह वो है टालने वाला?
पक्के वाला है इंशाल्लाह।
Excuse me, Ustad, our homework
Hmm.
in the English book, in what page is that?
Yes, I'm going to that page. Page number. This page is 51.
51.
Yes. You have to means translate this exercise into Arabic.
Oh yes, okay.
And the vocabulary is on the following page. This is the on 53.
So it's 51 and okay. Yeah,
You-
inshallah. Thank you.
Yes, you can use this vocabulary. You can keep it in front of you. Doesn't matter. But do it on your own without the help of anyone else.
Yes, thank you.
Welcome.
Yes.
Sir, after completing the exercise, do we WhatsApp the exercise to you then? Do we
Yes.
present the
Please raise your voice. What is that? What do you want? What do you ask?
I'm asking, after we complete the exercise, do we take a snapshot of it and send it over to you on WhatsApp?
Yes, yes, yes. Send me through WhatsApp, please.
Okay.
Okay. So, Alhamdulillah, we have completed our lesson number. This is, yes, Ad-Darsul Khamis. We have completed 5 lessons, Alhamdulillah. And very short time with the grace of Allah Almighty. MashaAllah, all of you are wonderful people. Just put your best efforts. Do the exercises, complete them, go through vocabulary, read them, reread them, try to grasp the vocabulary. And inshallah, I'll see your exercises before tomorrow's session, inshallah, means completed ones. And inshallah, we'll meet again tomorrow at 2 o'clock. ठीक है जी, कल इंशाल्लाह 2 बजे मिलेंगे और उम्मीद है कि आप सारे के सारे एक्सरसाइजेस करके आएंगे। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज और अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू।
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.